a piece of that Kitty Kat bar?
Discover card.
Hi, I'm just looking at my account and I've got all this extra cash back.
Yep, that's your cashback match. Only Discover will automatically match all the cashback new card members earn at the end of their first year.
You matched everything I earned this year?
Yeah.
Woo! More money, more money! Ah! All very exciting.
I'm gonna spread the news. Spread it wide.
It's cashback match, people! You know that, you all work here.
New card members get a dollar-for-dollar match at the end of their first year, only from Discover.
Look at this guy. He's really working hard. You know what he'll get? Muscle pain. You know what he should get? Advil. Pain says you can't. Advil says you can.
The Final Drive, presented by Auto Owners Insurance, tonight on the Big Ten Network.
Terry, I'm assuming that's your own money that you're giving away to the winners of Fox Bet Super 6. Terry, this is your money!
Download the free-to-play Fox Bet Super 6 app now to win $100,000 of Terry's money.
Women's soccer, Rutgers, Ohio State, Sunday on the Big Ten Network. The Big Ten Live Football Postgame, presented by State Farm, after the game.
They know. They know what it takes to prove who is the biggest on any day, in every play, in every game. And you know what it's like to live and breathe your school, your players, your team. You know it has to be love. You know it has to be big. The 2021 football season on Big Ten Network. This is big.